YouTube has become a popular way to make money, but you might not have realized that it's possible to do it without ever uploading a video. Become a YouTube user, and you get immediate access to a video library. In this library are videos that come under the Creative Commons license. What this license lets you do is use videos other people have made for YouTube. You get to use them as if they were your own, and you can make money from them. Make money on YouTube without making videos. YouTube is a fantastic way to make a passive income and free yourself financially. However, it's not easy, and lots of work is involved, especially in the beginning. That being said, once everything is set up, it becomes an entirely passive income, and very little work is required. It's also important to point out that not all your videos will make money. You're likely to find that 95% of your income comes from just 5% of your videos. Most YouTubers make money through something called the Google AdSense program. To benefit from this program, your YouTube channel must have a minimum of 1K subscribers. It must also have 4K watch time hours in the previous 12 months. Other ways of making money in the meantime would be to promote other people's or your own products in the descriptions of any videos you've already uploaded. How to make money on YouTube without showing your face. For many people, the idea of having a YouTube channel can be very tempting. But what if you've got no clue about making a video, or you're not keen on your face being up there for everyone to see? The good news is that there is no reason why you have to put yourself in front of the camera. There are many types of video that require no human interaction at all. Examples include animations, relaxing music videos, tutorials, or funny cat/dog compilation videos. Let's look at some more opportunities for a YouTube channel that doesn't require your face. Podcasts. YouTube is not a channel that was designed for audio content, but for many people, it is one of the most popular ways of listening to podcasts. It's easy to post your podcast episodes on YouTube, and there's no need for you to be on camera. A static image of your podcast cover is all you need. Gaming channel. Gamers worldwide are posting their game footage on YouTube along with an entertaining or informative voiceover to make the video complete. Pet videos. I don't think pet videos will ever go out of fashion. Not so long ago, amusing cat videos made up the majority of videos on YouTube. If you've got an interesting pet or your fur baby is always making you laugh with their antics, perhaps you should give them their very own channel. Screen sharing. Screen sharing is an excellent way to teach people different things without the need to put yourself in front of the camera. You'll need a good screen recording tool if you want to make a compelling video, but there are plenty to choose from. Camtasia is one you might consider. Thanks for watching.